Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. Today, after me, we have Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluidart, Bubbles from Venom Fluidart, and last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painting Man. So stick around and have some fun with us. Now, what I'm going to do today is have a bit of a play with one of my Doughnut Swipes. Loads of fun. So what we're going to do is, got our little 8-inch MDF round. I've got it on my glass spinner, which is same as what we've seen in the last video. One of these dudes. That's just a bigger version of it. Gonna grab some pillow paint, which is British Paint's low sheen interior wall paint. Now that there, you want it as close to center as humanly possible. The easy way to do it is either grab a tape measure or get yourself an object like this. That's just a skewer. What it is, put it up against the edge, mark it with your finger, go to quarters. Make sure it's all the same distance. That's the easy way. If it's out a little bit, open this way, give it a knock that way. Super easy to do. Right, what we're going to do is put our pillow paint down, but we're going to leave a little donut hole. Alright, and I'm probably going to go, yeah, about that much. Alright, I'm just squeezing it as I go. The more you get further out from the center, the more you're going to have to squeeze, because you've got more surface area to cover. Alright, so it just starts dripping over the edge. Should be good. Alright, I already know that's got some crap in it because I can see it. Goober. Alright, that's where we're starting from. I'll pop that up. Closer to yous. Okie dokie. Now I'm just going to put random colours down in that little donut hole. See, that's why it's called a donut swipe, because it's a donut. Well, I think it is anyway. So this is some sort of copper. It's out of Bubble stash. Don't tell her, otherwise I'll get in trouble. Oh, I just got to put a bit in there. Like I said in the previous video, the reason I leave that donut is it traps the paint like a little swimming pool, so it stops it spreading all over everywhere. It's easy to keep an eye on where things are going. Alright, we'll put some gold in. Like that. I've got some colour shift blue here. We'll add some of that. Quite like that. What else shall we use? some of this Southern Ocean blue. That. We'll grab a purple, because everyone loves purple. Like that. And we'll go for a lighter blue as well. So you'll notice, while I've been putting all them colours down, our donut's still stayed the same. It hasn't moved. So we've got our little swim pool of colour. So if you really wanted to do a hide and reveal or something like that, this is a cool way of doing it too, because it traps all your colours in the centre. You're only putting a cover over it and then swiping out. Cool way so you don't waste too much paint. Alright, so that's where we're starting. Grab a torch, pop some bubbles. Okie dokie. We'll grab our little swipe tool, which is this little guy. I've taken the handle off. I like it better that way. You don't have to. You can have the handle on if you like, or if you don't want to, you can pull the handle off like I did. Alright, select about time. Amsterdam Lamp Black. Mixed with Aussie Floetrol. Same as in the previous video. Alright, so doesn't matter what way you swipe, whether it's towards yourself or away from yourself, entirely up to you. What I'll do is I'll do it a few different ways. So we're going to go that way. So by swiping like that, what you're actually doing is dragging the colour from here all the way through there. Alright, load up more selectivator. Start roughly where the center is. Have it on a bit of an angle. That way you can drag it through. Same again. Now if you dip the swipe tool in, you're going to get stuff like that, which will give you a different pattern. Or if you just swipe over the top without dipping it, you just get straight colours. That gives you more of like a scoop and drag type effect. So what I mean by dipping it in is when you start, you sort of push down a little bit and then release. And you can see where I push down, it sort of smears the paint, which is like a scoop and drag, the way it stretches the colours out. Alright, we'll grab our little skewer. What we're going to do is put some little patterns around the edges. Like this. They're just circles, nothing overly hard. Then for these bits in between, all we're doing is do a loop, bring it out. Circle, bring it out. Bring it out. Bring it out. Bring it out. Like that. Now, if you want that to spin out perfectly even, remember you've already measured it there. So if you lay it down in exactly the same spot, you know it's in the same spot. So we'll give that a spin. Start like that. Before you fully spin it out, you can dress up any little modifications you want to do. So grab the little tool again, put little patterns in certain places, like here. You can do little love hearts, whatever. Like that. Add a little extra scoop there, extra little one there. Let the weight of the paint do its thing. That'll spread out. You end up with something really super trippy like that. Alright, pop that up. Always wipe its bum. Like so. Alright. We'll do a flyover of that so you can have a close-up look at it. But it's one of those techniques that are super easy to do, yet really effective. So you can either do 3 spokes, 5 spokes, as many spokes as you want really. When you drag them out, you can go for broke if you like. Pop some bubbles. So yeah, super easy to do. Just a couple of little swipes. You haven't even laid colour here. All you're doing is dragging it out with your tool as you go. Loads of fun. Get some crazy cool patterns. Give it a go. Alright guys. Hopefully you liked that. If you did, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Ding ding. That way you get to see all this stuff as I release it. Up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So click on the name and the title of the video, it'll take you to the channel. Click on the link that I put in the live chat, it will take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, totally free group. Use the play all list link that I put in there each and every week. That way you don't get lost. That way you get to see everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after each other, and you don't get lost. Super easy. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.